What's up, everyone? I'm just showing to you what I did to my folding bike. I did some modifications in this one because it turned out that this bike is too high for my wife. So I told her maybe I can just buy you another one someday, and I'll just keep this one for me. So anyway, this bike um, looks pretty much not the same anymore when you saw it when I unboxed this one about a few weeks ago. So I did some wrapping on the frame, and I did install some accessories as well. So I'll just show to you what I did to my bike. This bike height is about 31 inches here, 31 inches, and go up about 41. So the height requirement for this bike is about 5 feet to 5'9", or 5'9", right? So I wrapped this frame here. It looks like a camo black texture in here. I bought this vinyl wrap in Amazon, really cheap, for about $10. And I have some spare stickers, so I just stick that one there and over there, and I put a little bit of wrap as well on the tube on the rear triangle. So it turned out pretty good. And I also put some bag here, my leftover bag. You can put some stuff here, your cell phone or other tools. And I also bought some rack for my behind here on the bike. You can also put a bag here, in case you're traveling out of town. I can put the bag there, and when you buy some stuff, you can just put in all your belongings there, or whatever you want to put inside. And I custom made the seat here. I made out of wood, and a spare vinyl cloth, and put some foam and wrap it, and it turned out pretty well. And it has some Velcro here underneath. You can just remove it, and you can exchange it with the bag if I want to. Also put a bottle holder here. I can put my water bottle or drinks or whatever. Maybe I can get a portable speaker, a Bluetooth speaker, and then I can put one here. So what I like about this bike is this is so handy. I can just throw it in the back of my car trunk, fold it, and I can take it wherever I want, or wherever my family is going. We can go out of town trip for a couple of days, and I don't have to bring my bike racks. All you do is just fold it and place it on my car, on the back of my car, or the trunk. Folding this bike is easy. Since this bike is a little heavy, it's about 50 pounds. So my technique is to remove the battery here, and this simple. It takes away about 10 or 12 pounds from the total weight of this bike, so around 40 pounds. So it's gonna be lighter when you pick it up, put it from the ground, pick it up to the ground. But the only thing I don't like about this one, the brake is a little bit squeaky. It's because it's a mechanical brake only. So I'm planning to exchange it with a nicer brand, maybe a Textro brand. Maybe later on I can change both the front and back. So By the way, there are hard upgrades I did also. I put some footrest here and the side, and luckily my daughter can fit in the back. She tried riding with me here in the back, and she's about 100 pounds, and it fits okay. Um, she's enjoying riding this bike with me. Alright guys, that's all about my motorbike. What do you think about the modifications I did to my frame here? So far I like it. I'm trying to get bring out of town, so maybe later on, next time I can upload another video for a family adventure. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next time guys.